In this video, we're going to take a look at reclassifying an invoice. So you're going to want to go to Accounts Receivable, click on the Setup tab, and hit Configuration. If you don't see configuration and you can't get in here and you can't edit, you do not have permission and you'll need to get an administrator to help you with this. So once you're in here, then scroll down and see this Enabled Reclassification for Invoices and Adjustments. You want to make sure that that is checked off. If it wasn't off, check it off and click Save. Human error, people are going to make mistakes. You want to be able to reclassify invoices. So once that's been enabled, you can go to your list of invoices. And I have my Streamwood Building invoice here that has been paid. If I edit on that, I have my Reclassify button up here in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to just show you what it looks like before I press that. Nothing, I can't edit anything down here. So I'm going to click Reclassify, and then it gives me my drop downs down here then. So in this scenario, I have actually hit the wrong account on this invoice. So it went to cost of sales. It was supposed to go cost of sales labor. It was supposed to go to cost of sales other. So I'm going to edit the account to 50500 and I'm going to post. So that is how you would reclassify an invoice. You want to make sure that in your accounts receivable configuration, you have enable reclassification for invoices turned on. And then once your invoice has been paid, you can edit on it and hit the reclassify button.